Hey everyone, welcome back to Returning to Basics. I'm out in my yard and I'm looking at one of my trees. This tree was here when we bought the house in 1992. It was dying. It wasn't in good shape at all. It had a fungus and it had a separation from top to bottom through there. I called and I talked to a forester and an extension agent, and they said that I should cut it down, that it wouldn't live. Well, here it is from 1992 to 2021. It's been quite a number of years, and it's a beautiful, big, tall tree. I do need to get up in there and do some trimming. It's really odd how it has grown. But I'll be honest, that's really not the reason that I wanted to do this video. The reason I wanted to do this video was to show you this. That look familiar to any of you? I don't think we've ever had any in our yard, even though we're not far from Crowley's Ridge. But there are, see, there are acorns here. This thing produces huge acorns. And so that tells me that since the snow has gotten off, which is the last 2 days, they were here in my yard and they were looking for acorns. I know they visited my neighbor over here occasionally, because on that very far side over there next to the fence, that is a cherry tree, and there used to be quite a few cherry trees over there, and so I've seen them at night over there visiting that yard. And so it looks like they came right on over into ours and came over here and checked out our tree. They have been browsing on this blueberry bush a little, right there.
Yeah, two over here, snipping off these ends.
There. This one. Here's one. Let's see if I can get that. There's one. I was wrong. Look at this. That's deerbrowse. They've been eating on our grass here. What is this, Teresa? It's not monkey grass.
No, it's lariopy.
Lariopy.
That's a deer plant.
That's exactly what I'm saying. They're all around here. They were here last night. They were browsing on this lariopy. They've been eating Mother's monkey grass in her yard. They've mowed it down, all down the driveway. So they found ours. Look, they're all around. They came over from the neighbor's yard, but they did not stop over there anywhere that I could see.
There used to be cherry trees over there. They were used to going there.
There's still one. See all these tracks? So they were all in here, and if you understand what deerbrowse is, you'll be able to see it. Just where they nipped off things. Right there, right there, right there. So they didn't decimate it, but they were here in the yard. So, why don't you close this video for us, Teresa?
We had deer in the yard. I'm stunned. Thanks for stopping in and visiting us. Give us a like and subscribe. That would really help us. I'm tickled we had deer in the yard. Although that may not be great when the garden starts. Bye.